Mantra and its significance. Mantras are melodic phrases with spiritual interpretations, such as a human longing for truth, reality, light, peace, love, knowledge, and action. A mantra is revealed word, a divine sound that has been received or experienced by an adept in the state of deep samadhi, means spiritual absorption. It is a condensed form of spiritual energy, the sound body of the divine being. It can also be thought of as a compact prayer. Mantra traditionally has two purposes, which can be called worldly and spiritual. As for its spiritual purpose, mantra is said to quiet the habitual fluctuations of our consciousness and then steer consciousness toward its source in the self. There are three main types of mantras: Bija, seed; Sagun, with form; and Nirgun, without form. The Bija mantras can be used individually, but are most often incorporated into Sagun mantras to invest them with a special seed power. The Bij mantras correlate to the 7 chakras and to the main Hindu deities. Mantras are repetitive sounds used to penetrate the depths of the unconscious mind and adjust the vibration of all aspects of your being. Mantras are vibrated through chanting aloud, mental practice, or by listening to them. A mala is used for counting as you repeat a mantra. Mathematicians of Vedic culture viewed 108 as a number of the wholeness of existence. This number also connects the sun, moon, and earth. The average distance of the sun and moon to earth is 108 times their respective diameters. You can chant the sounds out loud or internally. When you chant the mantra internally, the inner sound becomes the object of attention for your meditation. Saying the mantra aloud is said to help attune yourself to the pronunciation of the mantra as well as calm your mind. The movement of energy regulates the chemicals in our brains. The mantras have both psychological and physiological effects on your body. When you recite any mantra, it will create positive energy around you, which helps to activate balancing your chakras in the body. When the mind wants to move out of the meditative state, the mantra helps bring it back. The rhythm of the mantra provides an easy channel for energy to flow in and out of. If the person meditating knows the meaning of the mantra, it can improve the effectiveness of the mantra. Benefits of chanting mantra: reduces anxiety and depression, improve immunity power, help in increases intuition power, help to keep mind calm and stable. Mantras turn around negative repulsive vibrations into more positive and attractive vibrations. help in calm nervous system. Like and share, subscribe our YouTube channel Divine Creation. Stay connected with us.